Hi, welcome to Chapter 10, the last one of this course. You made it. We're going to design a game today. Maybe you like basketball or sports. Well, we're going to design a basketball game today. You know what to do. Go to your projects, click full list, and go to basketball right here. Here's my project. Watch and see. How can we make this better? Again, we're using our empathy skills to think about how can we make this fun and exciting for our player. What's happening here? Why is there a score every time what happens? I have 0, the opponent has 11. Does this seem fun to you? Does it seem exciting? What do you think? Oh, okay. Oh, not yet. All right. So let's break this down. So I have my hand here, right? Actually, I was pressing the arrows on my keyboard. So how do you think I made the hand go side to side on my keyboard? What keys do you think I pressed? And how did I program it? I did press the left and the right arrows. What kind of blocks are those? When I click something, then that exact thing happens. Remember that? Those are events, right? So if I click the left arrow, then my hand goes left. Good. So right here. When I click the right arrow, my hand goes to the right here. Okay. So we have that. Now I want you to notice what happens when I click run. What happens all at once? Okay? Okay? Did you hear the sound? What happened? What appeared? My hand appeared, and the ball what? The ball came out. So let's take a look at that right here. See? This is my setup when run. Okay? Now, how do you think I programmed it so that the ball will bounce off my hand? When what? Ball hits the hand, then the ball will what? Bounce off. Let's take a look. I'll get again. Here's my left and right. See? It's bouncing. And then I scored. How did that score happen? How did I score 1 and how did my opponent score 2? What did I put in for my algorithm? Right? When ball does what in here? When it makes the shot, it will score a point. Now look what happens next. Oh, the ball just went past my hand. What should happen next? This is not so fun, right? What should happen? The ball should what? Come. It should come out. So what can we do here? What happened when what happened to the ball just now? It just went under my hand. So when the ball misses the hand, look at this block. Then what should I put underneath? Which one? Yep, throw a new ball. Let's try that out. And then look at the opponent's score. What do you think about that? And let's let the ball fall underneath my hand. And see what happens. Oh, see? The ball appeared. So that's getting better, right? But I don't know about you. I don't like that scoring part for my opponent. They should be getting scores only when they make the shot. So when the ball, what? Then the opponent scores a point. What happened to the ball? Which event was that? Yep, when the ball hits the wall. See right here? We don't want that right there. Now, you may have a certain allegiance to a specific team, and you can actually click this block, and you could click the team you want. Cool, right? Or you could do a random team. I think it randomizes up here. So you could have them show up there. And I'll do that right here. So it makes it more look more official. Also, what happens when I score? Did you remember? Let's try it. Oh. When I score, of course I get a point. Now look at the walls. If my ball bounces on the wall, did my opponent score a point? Nope. So that's better, isn't it? Now, do you see how the ball is traveling pretty slowly, right? I wonder if you could change the speed. Do you think you can? Change the speed? Oh, I missed it. And what should be coming out? Oh, the ball, right? And I just scored. Now look what happens next. Ah, that is definitely another thing that I programmed. So what happened? When the ball, goes in the goal, and then look here, what happens? Two things happen, right? I score, and then I throw a new ball. So all right here. Now let's think about the hand speed. You could play the hand speed. You could do that. I could make it really fast if I want to, right? I could make a ball speed. I could make it go faster. Fast. And let's try that. And then we're going to think about how else can we make it more fun and exciting, okay? Run that. Woo! There it goes. Look at that. And it's going faster. Okay? Now when you bounce a ball, what do you hear? You hear a bounce sound, right? And when you score, you hear a swish, don't you? Or the fans are cheering. So let's make that better. How can we add some sound? So when you make a goal, then what sound should I have? What do you think? Ooh, yes, the net swish, right? And then you can even add another sound where you have the cheering. How about if you miss? Should we have one when you miss? Is there something? A whistle? And how about, what kind of sound, when should we have a bounce sound? We have a bounce sound right here. Maybe when the ball hits the wall? Let's try it. Listen up. Oh, hear the whistle? Oh, hear the bounce? So getting better, right? Getting a lot better. Getting more fun and interactive. And here we go. Yes, I like that. Is that better, do you think? Okay. There's a lot you can do. There's another project I saw on the community board. Here's one right here. And this one it's a little different than ours. You could play their games. Oh, see the whistle? And then, of course, as you know, you could always look in here how it works. You could look at their code, right? You could set all these different events. Now, remember to remix if you want to change it. All right? Okay. And that's basketball. Enjoy. Well, you did it. You did all 10 chapters, 5 lessons, and 5 coding challenges. We learned about empathy, critical thinking, yet, and perseverance. Good job, and I hope you have a good time on your own with these life skills. All right? Bye.